Hi, and welcome to the Agile Academy. In this Agile in Practice talk, we'd like to talk about test-driven development, which is commonly referred to as TDD. TDD is a software development discipline where developers write automated test cases for enhancements or new features before they write any code. The basic premise of TDD is that you begin by writing a failing test for the simplest piece of functionality that you need to implement. You then write the simplest code possible to pass that test. Once this is done, the new code is reworked, or refactored as it is better known, to ensure it meets the requirement standards of the code. So, why do all this? What's the benefit? Well, there are a few. For example, TDD helps to ensure quality by focusing on requirements before writing the code. It assists in keeping the code clear, simple and testable by breaking it down into small, achievable steps. It provides documentation about how the system works for anyone coming onto the team later on. It builds a suite of repeatable regression tests, and it acts as an enabler for rapid change. Liz, one of the developers on the Agile team, which has been delivering a new employee performance review system for the HR department, wants to implement a new feature to the system. She has previously collaborated with the business analyst, the product owner, and the tester so that she understands and is clear about the requirements. Liz is now writing a simple automated test to fulfill the requirements. In most instances, this will be what is called a unit test. After Liz has written the test, she runs it against the already existing version of the system. Since the piece of code that delivers this functionality is not written yet, and so not part of the current version of the system, the test fails. Liz then writes just enough code to make the test pass. At this stage, the code is not perfect, but it will now pass the test. The final step in TDD requires Liz to rework the code to make it simpler, more readable and maintainable. This ensures it doesn't damage the functionality that the code is meant to deliver. Developers call this reworking of the code refactoring. This happens in minutes, not hours or days. We are now 2 weeks into the project and a change to the feature Liz previously built is needed. However, Liz is on leave, so Tom, another developer, will need to make the change. Liz has already created a test for this feature, so Tom is able to read it and understand what the code was supposed to do. He then uses the test to verify that his code doesn't break Liz's changes. Once that's done, Tom adds a test case of his own. This increases the test coverage and ensures a record of his changes to Liz's code. In this Agile in Practice talk, you saw how test-driven development helps Agile teams to make rapid changes whilst ensuring high quality. Refactoring is another Agile practice, which is a topic for another time and worth checking out on our Agile in Practice help sheets page in our Knowledge Hub on our website. If you want to learn more about Agile, the Agile team offers a range of courses delivered by accredited trainers and lots of open source material, which you can find on our website. If you have any questions, also feel free to contact us on our website or drop us a line on Twitter. Thank you, and enjoy your Agile journey.